Hey friends, if you wish to change from the 2.5 GHz to the 5 GHz wireless network adapter on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. But before this, I want you to know one thing. You should have the 5 GHz adapter. If you do not have it, then it will be a problem. So, here's what you have to do. Click on the system tray here. Click on the forward pointing arrow next to this, and then we have many networks here. One is the 2.5 gigahertz one is the 5G one. So you can select it. This is the 2.5 gigahertz one, and you just have to enter the password. Okay. Okay, and the other one is that you can add the 5G one. Okay, so this is how you can change between these two. So the 2.4 gigahertz network has a much wider range, while the 5 gigahertz network has a better signal. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.